Hey guys, welcome to our Outrun online courses, and today we are here outside in Fort Collins and a beautiful day. We're over here at Fossil Creek Park where there are plenty of urban platforms with some really low walls and also a playground with some bars. So this is a really good mix. We also have a lot of grass. It's a really good mix of services that's going to make it easier for us to learn a really wide variety of techniques here. And Olof over here is going to go over what exactly techniques we're learning.
Today, keeping up with our curriculum, we're going to be going over our vaults. For most of us, that means we're working on our step vault and our monkey plant in order to be able to get our carbon coaster. But for some of our higher level students, you're also welcome to practice your Kong and speed vaults. However, there are some inherent safety risks when you're practicing on obstacles that aren't made specifically for parkour. Michael can tell us more about that.
Hey guys, I know you're super excited to start training outside, but I know it is very important to keep in mind that the outside surfaces can be very dangerous, so it's important that you always are checking your surfaces, make sure you guys are confident in your skills, and just make sure you guys are being safe about where you jump and how you guys are doing your skills outside.
Go to one foot. Nice. Good.
Alright guys, we're going to start off with our step vault technique. For this one, you guys will want to look for a wall about knee high to start. If you're under 7 years old, you can even use this little guy down here. For most of our youth students, we'll be starting here. Start out low, and then we can progress up to higher walls as we get better at the technique. Alright guys, so on your step vaults, especially where you're picking yourself up onto the wall, make sure your hands and feet are spread out wide enough for you to get your feet back underneath you and pull yourself into squat up on top. Same thing for our monkey plants, guys. Sparks, start off real low. You start off on a wall about knee height. Make sure you're using both your arms straight and strong, keeping yourself up on top of the wall before you progress onto anything higher. All right, some of you who might be coming out here could be level 2 already with your steel band or higher. If you guys feel comfortable on these surfaces, you're welcome to try more advanced techniques that we've shown you in the gym, like the speed vault and the Kong. For these, you'll need a little bit more speed and there can be more consequence. So make sure you're really confident going into these movements and you have the grass to land on if anything goes wrong. In addition to keeping your speed up, in order to do a successful Kong or a speed vault on walls that are this thick, you want to make sure that your hand placements are at least halfway or maybe even a little closer to the far side as you guys come up and over them. So as many of you know, the step vault, as well as our other movements like monkey plant, have more than just one use. So over here, we'll be practicing using our step vaults to come down off of these platforms. You have a wide landing area, so we'll start off easy over here, and I'll show you some more advanced ones in a sec. Next up, we're looking for a few platforms that are spaced closer together. This tighter landing surface will require us to be a little more precise in our footwork. You'll make your way down using your step vaults. Make sure you're switching each side so that you can flow right down without taking any extra steps. For our final area, if you're able to find something like we have here, where it's a little steeper, we can even work on our down climbs, going in reverse down the rocks, slowly making sure we have 3 limbs on the rocks at all times so that we have plenty of points of contact to keep ourselves safe and close to the wall. For our third station today, we're looking to create a vault line of upwards of 5 moves using the techniques we've learned earlier today, like step vault, monkey plant, and Kong. Michael, when you come out, what do you look for to create a vault line?
I look for big surfaces such as like this table. We got like multiple levels where I can do a monkey plant up, do a monkey plant down. I also have enough room where I can throw like a backflip or any other moves on top, and I'd still be able to throw like a vault down.
Awesome, so we'll show you an example course in just a sec. Awesome. If you guys are having problems with some of the more advanced techniques like the Kong, it could be a strength deficit. So here are some drills to help build up our shoulders for the pushing movements we need in the Kong. First off, make sure you have a strong half cat where you can get up high on the wall, walk your feet up even taller for some extra challenge. Once you guys have that down, you can practice a simple jump and push up the wall like this, where you push up through your half cat position in order to build the strength you need for a full Kong like this.
Olof, no!
Squeeze those hips through, buddy. Hey guys, thanks for checking in to Outrun Online. We're excited to see how you guys apply the techniques from this lesson to some fun environments. Make sure to post a video in the comments below. We'll give you guys some feedback. But that's it for today. Subscribe for more lessons.